Both our children, their development and their progress in general has flourished by leaps and bounds, honestly, in every aspect. Not just academically, socially, they are turning into good, whole-rounded kids that are happy to go to school and are happy when I pick them up.
The level of learning and vocabulary that has already taken place within this month or so, it's beyond me. Not just the education piece, but also those human values that definitely take you on further in life.
When we came to visit the first time, the culture that we saw here, the culture of the students working together, the diversity here. So I think the school does a really good job making sure there's one-on-one attention, but also building that culture within the classroom and throughout the whole school. And we saw that on our first visit, and that really drew us in.
One of the things I appreciate the most about the preschool program is how warm all of the teachers are. I always feel like I can walk down the hallway and I get a smile, I get a hi, hello, Mrs. Shaw.
When I first met her teacher, it just added to that safety cushion that I needed, to that confidence that I made the right decision bringing my child to this school.
My husband and I did extensive and thorough research when it came time to choosing which school we wanted to send our kids to. And the minute that we arrived on campus, I instantly felt comfortable. Walking through the doors for the first time and being greeted by the friendly faces and the overall energy in the school, for me, was instant. I fell in love quite quickly. We did the tour and it was a pretty immediate decision. They stood apart from the other schools that we toured without a question.
You're looking for a school or you're in a school already, you gotta try Fairmont. You gotta try Fairmont. You will not be disappointed.